Hey there, I'm Jennifer Deck. Welcome. We're in Parsons.
A big city apart.
Yep. We ordered something from the taco, the Mexican. So Sonic's across the street, and the fireworks usually make when the kids were little, we would get
I outgrew them.
fireworks.
I outgrew them.
Yep. So I ordered a dozen of tamales, mixed
6 chicken and 6
pork with green sauce
Yeah.
and
What else?
quesadilla,
Got your quesadilla. Pork, or I mean beef or chicken. What you got?
chicken, and what was it else? And you got a burrito.
A ground beef burrito.
Ooh, that sounds good.
Well, let's see.
I don't see no lemon stands. We gotta go.
Closed up because it's got late.
What time is it? I don't have a watch. Okay. Is it only 4 o'clock?
4:23. 4:23.
Yeah, so Deb said this is where she got her tamales. We're gonna have to go and get a card from the seniors.
Yep.
Huh.
Can't do that until next week now. Tomorrow's Saturday.
In the Baptist church.
Yeah,
Sign
that
up.
place too. I'll sign up both places.
So the Baptist church, which one is that one?
It's that one right beside the post office there. The one where the food bank is on the back.
Oh, that
Right
one.
there, that
I don't think we qualify for
Well,
that
we
one.
might. If they do, why wouldn't we? I mean,
I don't
I
know.
don't know why we wouldn't. But we'll just have to try. Yeah.
We'll see.
We shall see.
It smells good. Is the 4th this week?
No.
It's next week.
This is what? This is the 26th, and this is Friday. 27, 28, 29, 30, 1, 2, 3. It's like next Saturday, I guess.
Oh, really?
I
Okay.
believe that's right. Next Saturday, I believe.
We gotta go get creamer. Yep. Yep. They make a killing here. Ooh, it's a little warm.
Huh?
A little warm.
Who is?
I am.
You sat down here in the room. Are you going to be okay?
Yeah.
Go back in the truck and start it up.
Yeah. This will be breakfast since I haven't had anything all day. Ooh, like that truck. Tennessee orange. My guy. It's not even has the hands on the thing. We got into an accident.
Who did?
I'm just saying, if he would have got into an accident, he'd go flying.